Dali ko uwi sa...
Halika na!
Ready, boy.
Kaya nga naman.
Thank you.
Lalong sasakit yung ulo mo.
Dear Ma,
Hello?
ayaw daw kumain ni Mayason. Ni Mayason, ni Atmana.
Bawal.
Masusuka daw siya.
Kasi nalipasan na yung buso.
Kulang siya exercise.
Manayason.
Hi!
Man-ed.
Hello!
So we are here in my uncle's house in Pasig City and we're having dinner, obviously. So the food that is on the table at the moment is fried fish. That's called the tilapia. That's garlic rice. And this is adobong manok. Chicken adobo. And this is what we call gulay.
Laing.
Laing. No, it's not. Ano tawag? Bicol Express. Yeah, it's called Bicol Express and it's very spicy. And then, last but not the least is 2 pieces of fried fish. Huli yung kanin sa bibig mo eh. Okay.
Sige lang kung sila. Ako. Tutulong ako dahil... Ano yung nasa sa kuya ni Zero?
Tita B. Tapos ang tabi yan.
Ay, salamat.
That's my mom.
Gulay, isda. Yes.
Sarap eh.
Ano ka tayo?
Ha?
Si Joseph.
Oo, dahil si Bibeda yung mag-isip nga kami dyan. Oo, Bibeda, may awa ka mo.
Oo, si Paco.
Bye guys.